I never fought a fish this long before.
Don't force him. Don't force him. Don't force him. It's a 5. I'm pretty sure. It's big. Don't force him. He's tired. He's tired. All right. Welcome back to another episode, guys. We're doing a little informal challenge here. So, me, couple buddies, we're going to hit up the lake, best 5 fish. It's like 6-hour tournament, basically, we're gonna do. I think it's just me and like 3 other boats. Just a couple buddies gonna fish, see who's the better fisherman. Stay tuned. There's one. I got one, Tim. Oh God.
Net here.
Nope, he got hung on the pole.
Oh, really?
Yep. I think so. He was on the top of the water. Where'd he go? I had him up top and then I lost him, I think. He got hung on the pole. I don't feel him on there anymore. It's a nice fish.
Was it?
Yep. Wasn't bad. Yep. It's gone. It's on the pole here. Yep. Oh, guys. That's unfortunate. Had him on the top of the water, but I just didn't have enough pressure on it. Fishing in between the docks, I thrown the Megabass 110, and he picked it up right up here, came to the surface because he was sitting in shallow water, and then dogged me into the docks. I had him for a second there. It was not a bad fish. It was a 2 or 3 pounder, I think. I only saw him for a second. He was dirt shallow. I'm pretty disappointed about that. Oh my God. Yeah. Snapped off. I cannot believe that just snapped. Oh my God. They're just not taking it. Why? There's big fish, buddy. I think. Oh, let's get it quick for me if you can. Thanks, bud. Oh. Dump him right back out. Dump him right back out.
Did he fall off?
Yep, he fell off. Thanks. I did not want to lose a $25 Megabass to a pickerel.
That's probably what hit you the first time then.
Yeah, here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely had a bass the other time over here. Dropped it. Alright guys, well, the pickerel is not what I was looking for, so I just had him toss it back. No, I reset my GoPro every 20 minutes or so. There was one. There he is. Yeah, he's just pecking the crap out of it on the way up. He had it in his mouth for an hour. Little guy, there he is again. Maybe he is. Oh God, it's a rock bass. No. Well, yeah, up here I saw there was a stack of them. Yeah. Unreal. I cannot believe, I've mentioned this before, guys. So many rock bass in this lake. Somebody's got to eat them. It took a heavy skip. Yeah. There he is. I don't think so. It's rocky. Unbelievable. Another rocky, guys. The branch was subsurface, but it just... Oh my God. Wow. Wrong fish, wrong species. Jesus, I'm hooked on a tree. I was trying to get, let's keep it in the live well. We'll try to weigh it in and see if they'll let us. It's probably gonna be bigger than the bass we catch. All right, guys, now this is my mistake. I was doing a battery swap and forgot to turn the camera back on. I just caught a Lurgy on a Megabass Vision 110. In like a sexy shad style pattern. They're reacting to baits for some reason. He's not big, he's like a 1.5-pounder. But he did react right here at the side of the boat, basically. They are reacting today, and I can't seem to get them to take anything else. They're just reacting to baits. That smallie I dropped at the side of the boat was reacting by reeling up a Keitech. That Lurgy right there. I got that other Lurgy over on the other point that I dropped. I'm just having a rough, I'm not fishing clean today, but I am catching fish. I'm getting the bites, I'm just not hooking and setting into them. I'm not fishing it well, but we do have one for like a 1.5 pounds, so I mean, it's not bad, but he's not, I thought he was better than that originally when I first hooked into him years ago. I'm going to bounce if you're good. I want to go to that other corner there. I just got to remember which one. Is that a fish?
Decent one too. Really good one.
Yep. Yep, we're good, we're good. Oh, it's a smallie?
Yep.
I think it is, right?
Yep, it is. He's dogging me.
I'm gonna stay right here.
Getting ready to come up. Ooh, that's a good one, buddy.
Yep. Come on. Oh my God.
Wow.
You're good, you're good. I'm on whatever side you need to be. I'm gonna get the boat moving in the right direction. Keep your tip up this way.
Okay.
Yep, yep, yep. Pull them out.
He's under the boat.
Yep, yep, yep. Pull them out. You're good.
Wow. I never fought a fish this long before.
Don't force him. Don't force him. Don't force him. It's a 5. I'm pretty sure. It's big. Don't force him. He's tired. He's tired. He's tired. He's gonna lay up right here. He's gonna lay up. There we go. Woo!
That's a big fish, buddy.
That's a big fish,
Holy
dude.
crap, is that big?
That's a, it's a 3. You got that? You want to grab your, I got him already if you want to just pull the hook out.
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, that's a 3.
Wow.
3.5. It's a big fish.
Man, I never seen one fight that hard
Nope.
before. Work one day by the glass. Stuck to?
Oh, no, I got off. It is.
If I reel down to it, I think it'll pop. That one?
Yeah, it's just a Rocky. I'm positive. Never been more positive of anything in my life.
Oh, yeah. Small one. Where's the hammer? Actually working, too.
Little Rocky. Yeah, that's a smallie, I think, buddy. It is a smallie. Not big, I don't think. But oh, it's a largie. He'll measure maybe. It's gonna be close if he does. Nope, he's not gonna measure.
Don't think he's cutting it?
I don't think so. Yeah, nah, he's 10, I think, or 11 max. Small one, guys. Got him on a little Kitech. Rocky.
That dog goes in there deep.
Yep. Another Rocky. Yep. Nope. Another Rocky. I didn't want you to step on it or something, and I felt bad, and they're usually like, oh, okay, thanks. So I've never had someone yell at me for coming on their dock. There, Timmy. It's not a great fish, but it's a better fish. It's a keeper. Oh God. Oh my God, it's actually a nice fish. Okay, hold on. He's coming up. You're okay, I'm gonna bring him around if I can. To the left. Yep, we're okay. Come on. Stop dogging me, wow. Sorry.
You're good, buddy.
Oh, hold on. Oh, underneath the boat. Wow, these fish are crazy today. Oh, one more try. He's laid up. There we go.
There you go, buddy.
That's it. Yep. He's not great, but he's not bad. All right, guys, so we got, let me turn you so you're not in the sun. So we've got 3 fish right now. It's 9 o'clock. Oh, I think you got a little smudge on you there. Sorry about that. I apologize. So we got 3 fish in the boat now. 2 smallies, 1 largie. The largie I missed on camera. One of the smallies we both got, but not bad. I think it's going to be 2, 5, 4, maybe 6 or 7 pounds. I mean, it's probably 6. So it's not super bad, not super great right yet, but we do have some fish. So we are going to keep working our way around here. What we've got them on so far is both smallies came on a drop shot. I lost a largie on a Vision 110. I caught a largie on a Vision 110, and I dropped another largie on a Vision 110. So they were reacting in the early morning. They were up shallow. I couldn't get them to take a topwater though, so they wanted that subsurface jerkbait. So I did get a couple. I got a smallie. I dropped a smallie on a Kitech too, a little 2.8. So like it's been a real junk fishing type of day. And we're gonna work around here now. We got into this cove, but this is kind of a dead cove, dead section here. Gonna move back and just troll over real quick and start fishing these docks behind us. It drops off really quick, and see if we can find any more feeding smallies before this morning bite's over. It's 9 o'clock right now. We have until 12, so we're got about 3 hours left to finish a limit, and then start looking to upgrade. Stay tuned. Yep. This is gonna be tough, yeah. You might be better off going under the boats here. I got a bite. There he is. It's a good fish. It's a good fish, Tim. It's a bass. Pretty confident. Yeah, it's gotta be. It's gotta be a smallie. Oh, it's a big largie, Tim.
Yep.
Yep, it's a giant largie. Oh, come on. No, you're good. You're good. Come on, get up here. He'll roll over in a sec here. There he comes. Oh, well, it's not that big, but God, there we go. Oh, hook popped out.
You got lucky, didn't you?
Yep,
Really lucky.
another keeper. That's almost our limit, guys. That's number 4. He's in pretty rough shape. He got bit by something, somewhere. Yep. All right, bad news, guys. So we were only able to get 4 fish today. Those 4 you saw earlier in the morning. We came up on one of our buddies here at the launch, and he has 5, and one of them is a 4.5. So this was a winner take all. Like, I don't know, maybe $100 or something on the line. Nothing super exciting, but winner take all tournament. So we are not going to place here. I am going to take a picture with my fish and release them, and that'll probably be it for today. I saw my buddy was throwing shallow, and I was throwing shallow as well. He was throwing a stick bait, so there was that bite going on that was like slow, but for some reason I couldn't get them to take a slow bait this morning. You saw that I was throwing a jerk bait because that was the only way I could get them to take the bait. I couldn't get them to take like a Ned rig or a little Kitech or anything like that. It was just such a weird day. There is a huge, I don't know if you guys can see that, this launch and the coronavirus and everything going on, it has this launch that just packed because there are so many more people still off of work and everything. So I'm like the 11th boat in the line to go get my boat, and all I need to do is go load up. There are people here that are just trying to dump their boats and stuff. It's just a busy day. It is a Sunday. It's beautiful out, obviously. So I'm going to make this quick now, I guess, and just say, if you can, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Like the video, subscribe to the channel down below. And I guess until next time, just roll that music.